My blood just starts to leak. Psychopaths tie me to a leash. Do not let me free. Y'all just see the other side of me. Let me free. All these demons taking over me. They just wanna see me go to sleep. Falling deep. I just see the darkness taking.
What's going on, guys? I'm Buddha and Xano, so we're back with another reaction, man. Today we're here with another one caught on Ring Doorbell, and this is called You Being Catfished. If you guys enjoyed, always drop a like, subscribe, comment down below, let us know which other want to start to next. Without further ado, let's get it.
Watching Doorbell News.
Are we now? Oh my god. I like how they're talking
Las
and
Vegas,
shit.
Nevada. Unfortunately for this homeowner, he was able to capture this burglary that happened at his home. Let's hope they catch these guys.
Bruh. You're still sagging while robbing a house?
Oh, yeah.
You gotta be a dumb motherfucker, bro. I'm wearing a belt ready to run, dude. Hell no. Damn, smash the door from the back.
Check her out.
Oh, what? No, not her, bro. I'm talking about the cars, bro. They got the 370s and shit. What is that right there? I think is that another one?
No.
I can't really see it. You stupid bitch. Oh my god. Look at you.
Damn, that cars look crazy, actually.
My future car right there.
Bro, we seen this one.
We've seen this one, yeah. We seen this one in a different
he's
one.
like, my bad, bro. I'm just doing some dumbass shit.
Yeah, he's like, I'm just doing some drunk dumbass shit.
I'm just being a drunk asshole.
Oh, a drunk asshole, and then he fucking smacks his fucking camera.
Lakewood, California. So this guy's got a FedEx delivery driver outfit on, but he's no FedEx delivery driver.
That's crazy. That just means he works at FedEx. He's an idiot.
I guess he
took
didn't mean
his
that, or he
outfit.
just made it himself, or he just bought one online or whatever.
I'm fucking taking this time too.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's I don't know what even color that is. It's like what? I know it's a Honda.
Vegas, Nevada. Always be aware of your surroundings.
Why would you go to your? Oh hell no.
So this guy follows this guy's wife home. Luckily, she got inside in time. West
That's
Monroe,
scary.
Louisiana. Yeah, she's scheming on that scooter. She's trying to act natural.
Nah. Oh my god.
Why would he pick it up? It's a scooter.
Oh my god. I mean, it looks like some
Inglewood,
trash ass
California.
ground right there. So. Not only that, but if she lives around the neighborhood, you're gonna get caught easily, bro. And if the whole.
There's three of them.
Damn.
Why not? Here comes the fourth one. Oh.
Looks like these four guys are trying
They
to
raped
invade
the
this.
neighbor.
God damn.
Oh, there's
West
another.
Valley
There's a
City,
driver.
Utah.
Yeah.
Man.
Another homeowner captures a burglary in process at his home.
Damn.
There's no way this guy's just walking around like he owns this fucking house. Oh,
Cat, get inside.
Georgia. Apparently there was a road rage incident going on down the street.
bro, get your cat.
Cincinnati, Ohio.
Ugh, what the fuck? That's scary as shit. Nah, bro, you got caught.
Looks like these two are up to no good.
Oh my god.
Oh my
There's another
God.
one.
Jonesboro.
Damn.
Forestburg, Georgia.
The
So this
fuck
guy
is
comes knocking at somebody's door at almost 6 in the morning, but he's been catfished. Atlanta, Georgia.
That's bad if that happened already once.
Yeah. So
I mean,
happened
somebody's
twice.
giving your address away and shit.
Yeah. See that on the website already, or like?
Yeah, I was about to say.
Atlanta, Georgia.
So you gotta be careful where you put your information.
Damn, bro, you got fucked.
Look at this whole thing. A piece right there. And then these little boys are so stupid. It was money right here. You feel me? It was no money in my armrest, but it was money right there. And y'all...
I mean, sometimes when you're in the moment, ma'am, I ain't really, you know what I'm saying? No.
Police didn't even come up.
Yeah, a lot of
Meanwhile,
times
in
police don't
Cincinnati,
care, bro.
These guys are still creeping around.
Still?
Don't worry. I got something for you.
Ooh.
That's right.
Los Angeles,
I
California.
love that.
Seems like this lady's dog got catfished.
Huh?
But there's no fucking way.
way.
Hello? Who are you?
It's your car. It's a teach.
We didn't call you for anything.
So you ain't. Man, I just got on the phone with somebody.
No. No one calls you from this house.
That sucks, man.
At least
Los
live.
Angeles,
Yeah.
California. Check this guy out.
What the?
What the?
Oh, hell no, bro.
Man, get lost.
Oh god, there's no fucking way. He said,
Cold
West Side.
California. So this guy walks up to this homeowner's house with latex gloves on. Yeah, we don't know what he was up to.
Man packing firearms
Sorry.
was spotted by Colton.
Always packing a firearm?
Yeah.
Damn. Oh, is that police in the back?
Yeah, the police guy.
Luckily, Colton PD spotted him.
Looking all suspicious and shit.
Yeah, who knows what he was up to with those latex gloves on.
Yeah, why the fuck you
Colton
got
police ended up
gloves?
catching him with a tool on him.
Oh, damn. So you gotta watch your surroundings, fool.
Oh, he's calling somebody.
Yeah, latex gloves. I don't like the looks of this.
First of all, bro, I mean, they're already gonna profile you. You're tatted up, tattoos. Wait, gloves? Bro, come on.
With shades.
Oh my god, right, bro? All black too? Like,
What's up, bro?
How do you know here?
Supposedly the homegirl is right here.
Who's that?
Alyssa?
Alyssa? What's your first name?
First name's Richard.
alright, bro.
Bell
I mean,
Gardens, California.
first of all, you don't gotta identify yourself.
Better be on alert for those doorknob wigglers.
Oh, hell nah.
Los Angeles, California. So this guy just walks up to this apartment. This guy just starts throwing the plants and potters over the balcony.
Bruh.
Like, why, bro?
Why?
Why?
Yeah, some people just want to mess up everybody's stuff.
Alright.
Meanwhile, in Jonesboro, another catfish victim.
Same house. That's crazy.
Hello. Hi, who's this? I'm sorry? You need to come a little bit closer.
Damn, he thought he was gonna get some coochie.
What did you say? I couldn't hear you.
First I just text.
You're the person I just texted?
Yeah, I must got the wrong house. I'm sorry.
You've been catfished. Get lost!
Oh god. Oh god.
Oh, we're back to the dude, bro. I wonder what the plant did to him, bro.
Was that looking pretty?
Damn,
No,
how many
no,
plants
this-
did you have in
yeah.
front of your door?
Boston, Massachusetts.
Right, how high is
another
that shit?
doorknob
I'm fucking
wiggler.
dropping them from like.
Always keep those doors locked.
What?
Yeah, another doorknob wiggler. Always keep those doors locked. Lakewood, California. Can't even order an Uber
It
Eats
just looks
What shit?
familiar.
This looks familiar.
anymore. You better grab that Uber Eats before this guy does. Hey, come back with
Nah.
my Uber Eats.
Bruh.
That's funny.
Compton, California. So this guy walks up claiming to be a neighbor, talking about I need a gas can. We don't got no gas can, buddy. We got electric cars over here. Yeah. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. New episode coming tomorrow.
Hey, it's Donovan Abrams, Harrison's grandson. We were trying to see if we can get assistance right now.
You know it's late, right?
I know.
What do you need help with?
She was trying to see if someone would let us get a gas can to take to the gas station.
I don't
I mean, they got a whole sign. Smile.
Yeah, you're on camera.
Yeah.
have one of those.
This is Jen from Doorbell News.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. It's gonna be rare to find somebody with a gas can. Believe it or not, but not a lot of people really got fucking gas cans and shit. It's my wife. But yeah, hey, that's gonna be the end of that, man. If y'all did enjoy those, drop a like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Peace.